Make sure you guys stick around. Here's a little teaser of it. Ooh. Alright guys, what is up? I have just acquired some eBay headlights that I decided I'd buy. My homie Randy sent me these and on a DM, and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna buy them. So they are New Edge clear corner headlights, black housings, but they have daytime running lights. So I have not looked at them yet. I'll just open the box. Boom. That's what they look like. Oh, actually, it's kind of sick. I thought the daytime running light, like off, was going to be super white and annoying looking. They look sick. Ooh, that's pretty dope. I think this is only glue. Yeah. Water here. Alright, whatever, I'll take that off later. Alright guys, so before you always put in an aftermarket headlight, well, I gotta do my angry eyes too, I forgot about that. But before you put in an aftermarket headlight, you want to make sure, see all this? I siliconed all that. On these headlights, they don't come with silicone inside it, so this is why you get condensation in your lights. So see how it's open all right here? If you don't silicone that, and see this part right here, you can see the gap that's open right here. If you don't silicone everything inside, every open gap around the edges, like inside there, then you're gonna get condensation in your lights. So as you can tell, I did this one a while ago. Silicone to everything. And I've had these for a long time and no condensation. For sure, 100% eBay lights, you always want to silicone it. So just get something like this. And then, see all the gaps? You just want to fill in everything. And you could press all, like, kind of line it up, and then you could press the rest of it in later. Putting it all in here, and this will dry clear because I got the clear drying one. So as you can see, I just get it in there. I want to kind of fill up gaps like this. So I'm gonna do that. I'll get back to you guys when it's all done. Okay, so on eBay it's like, oh, completely plug and play, no nothing. Well, there's wiring to do if you want the daytime running lights to even work. I don't know how I'm gonna wire it. I'll just do it super easy and ghetto and just put it to the battery, I guess, but I'm gonna just put it on here and test it real quick. There it goes. Huh. That was kind of cool. Don't know how they'll look on the car though. I'm still iffy about it. They're definitely different. Definitely different. See if I can get. Huh. They look pretty good. Time to just let this dry a little bit, this silicone. And then we could try to install it. I don't know where I'm going to hook them up because the car's off right now, completely off, and they're on. So if they were hooked up straight to the battery, it'd always be on. So I need to hook them up to something. Maybe a fuse. Alright, so what you're going to want to get is a test light, which is one of these. So basically you ground one in, just put it on some bare metal. I'll just stick it right there. Just ground it, so it could ground on the body or the negative terminal. Let's take this off. And then just test for fuses. The red light, so this is power. This is power. They all have power. So I guess I'm gonna have to go under. And this also means that they all are working. Under the dash. So there's a under dash fuse box that I can use. I guess I'll do that. Alright guys, so I'm under the car. This is for my dash cam. This is actually the battery wire and this is the accessory wire. So this is power 24/7 and then this is power only when the car is on. So I can get a parking mode. But basically we're going to use amp number 20, which is right here. See 20? It's upside down, but basically we're going to run a power wire to this amp right here. So all you do is just take it out, wrap the wire around one of the legs, and then press it back in right here. So we're going to use number 20. You can see the number right there. So there's 26 below it, but we're using 20, which is right above it. So here's just a little SSHB mod. I always do angry eyes on all my lights because it makes the light look a lot meaner. I mean, yeah, this light's dirty right now, but it makes the light look a lot meaner. So I'm going to do it to this one too. So you just do a subtle angry eye. And the angry eye actually matches up perfectly with this. So it goes like this, and it goes perfectly into this line right here. So all I did was just match them up to this one right here. So the way you do it is by eyeball. You just eyeball it. And then to make sure they're even together, I just put them up next to each other. Make sure the heights are like the exact same. And yeah. Alright, so they're all done. What I used is just some primer, paint and primer, black, and then gloss wheel color. That's what it looks like. Now they got the angry eyes and they'll look 10 times better. Look at that. If anybody wants these, I'll probably sell them. They look mean, but these are sick. So the silicone's dried. See how it's not completely dry right there, because that's a lot thicker, but it dries clear. So lights are all done. I'm looking pissed. Can't wait to put these babies out. Alright, time for me to tell you guys where I'm at. So I plugged in the side light, plugged in the main headlight, which are LEDs, and then I made the ground, and I'm going to ground that to here, and then this one, I'm going to ground this one to right here, okay? So I'm leaving the red power wire out. I'm going to tuck it under this plastic thing. It's going to go to here. And then this one I've not put in yet, so all you do is just get this piece in there. Alright, so I got this wire right here, that wire over there. They're not long enough, so I'm going to put a wire through here. Have this one touch this one touch this end, and then this end's longer because I'm going to extend it through here, under there, in through the firewall, and under the dash. You can go solder this right now. Alright, so I'm about to solder. Just got the wires wrapped around each other. And then, my solder just fell down. Well, my soldering absolutely sucks, so use heat shrink to cover it up, but you know, that's also what you're supposed to do, but heat shrink helps it make it look better. I'm gonna go like this, wrap it, and then leave an extension so I can make a wire going down to there. I'll show you. So to get the lights to go at the same time, I'm just going to wrap them like that. So it goes from this light, from that light, to that light, to here. And then this will go into the fuse box underneath the dash. Alright, so that one's all done. And time to route all this trash. Alright guys, time to test this thing out. They're all grounded. Everything's ready to go. That looks pretty sick. Definitely different. Definitely different. That looks pretty sweet. It's so confusing. Like, I cannot tell if it looks good or not. Oh, that looks sick. And it's off. The daytime running lights are gonna look so cool. I'm never gonna want to drive with my lights on. That actually is kind of sick. Oh, it looks like just the side markers on. Dang, bro, it looks sick. Yeah. Hyped. I love looking different. If you guys followed my last 2-valve, you would see how different my old 2-valve was, because I had canards, I had 2 on each side. It was super low in the front. It had a fully stripped interior, and it had a floral roof and everything. It had a sunroof. It had a hydro e-brake and an automatic. It had 295s that I drifted with. It had all this crazy stuff. Had harnesses, racing seats, everything. That was my last 2-valve, and this one's a lot cleaner, but I like this just because it's different. Well, that was fun, guys. Thanks for watching. Follow my Instagram for pictures of this. Look at that, blood, sweat, and lights. I have a link to my side markers. I have links to my headlights. They're all in other videos, so if you want to see those other if you want to watch those other videos, you'll find the links. So, watch my other videos, and you'll find the links to the side markers and the headlights. Those are switchbacks. I'll show you them right now. That color. So, if you want to find out what those are, then check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe.